This is Roblox News. Today it's 30 degrees out. Feels like it. Some bad weather coming soon. So if we don't mind, let's talk about John Day.
The Brookhaven Weather Service issued a T-storm warning and a tornado warning and watch. There will be a duplicate tornado. The affected counties is Parkland, Lake Madison, and the center of Brookhaven. Idaho will be disturbed by 40 miles per hour windstorm coming from Brookhaven, California. T-storm.
Oh, IT. So for a storm. Okay, then my screen. Ooh, there's a rain here. Oh wow, it's a tornado storm there. Out here. I gotta fix it up again. That's like a really angry storm. I see. I have a sunroof. Dang, I should have, wait. Oh. Some rotation. Oh, gotta go. It's forming. Tornado confirmed at the ground. I will report it. There you go. Gotta get a clear view. Oh, that's a view of the tornado. Oh, it's ripping out the house. Go. Oh, shoot. Go. There, over there. It's on to me. I gotta take my rear cameras. It's okay. Oh no, I'm being sucked in. I'm gonna suck it. Shoot. Oh no. There's debris. There's like, oh my god, there's a